Should you say, I've worked here from 2015 or since 2015? What about, I haven't seen him from last week? Why do some sentences need since while others need from? In this chapter, we'll master since, the preposition that connects a starting point in the past to the present moment. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. In the previous chapter, we learned from for starting points. Today, we'll learn since, which marks a starting point in the past that continues until now. This word creates a bridge from past to present. Since marks a starting point in the past that continues to the present moment. Think of it as a bridge connecting then to now. Since 2020 means from 2020 until this very moment, still continuing, still ongoing, not finished. For example, I've worked here since 2022. This means from 2022 until now, still working here today. The job started in 2022 and hasn't ended, since emphasizes this continuation to the present moment. Here's the crucial difference that confuses millions. From 2020 to 2023 means a completed, finished period. Since 2020 means from that point continuing until right now, still happening. From can describe finished periods. Since always connects to the present, it means something is still true. Important grammar rule. Since requires perfect tenses. Say, I have lived here since 2020. Never say, I lived here since 2020. Since connects the past to the present, so it uses the present perfect, have or has plus the past participle. Since is perfect for ongoing personal experiences. I've been learning English since 2019. She's lived in Mumbai since childhood. They've been friends since college. These experiences started in the past and continue today, since captures that connection. Since also describes ongoing situations and states. The theater has been closed since 2020. Prices have increased since last year. The weather has been cold since Monday. These situations began earlier and remain true now. The most common mistake is using the wrong tense with since. Never say, I know him since 2015, or I am here since morning. Say, I've known him since 2015, and I've been here since morning. Since requires the present perfect or present perfect continuous. Here's your memory trick for since. Think of since as a chain linking the past to the present. The chain is unbroken. It started then and continues now. If something began in the past and is still true today, use since. Now, let's explore since through practical examples. Notice how each sentence connects a past starting point directly to the present moment. Let's start with the relationship example. They've been married since 2010. This shows continuous marriage from 2010 to today. The relationship began then and still continues now. Now consider career continuity. She's worked at this company since 2018. This indicates ongoing employment for several years. She started in 2018 and is still working there today. Let's move to temporary but ongoing situations. I've been waiting here since 9 a.m. The waiting started at 9 a.m. and continues right now. Since emphasizes that the action hasn't ended yet. Now think about property listings. This house has been for sale since March. It was listed in March and is still available now. Since shows the situation continues to the present. Let's look at long-term friendships. We've been friends since childhood. The relationship began when they were children and still exists today. Now imagine ongoing problems. The car has been making strange noises since last week. The problem began last week and continues now. Consider fitness journeys. He's been training at the gym since last January. Training began then and continues today. Now think about business changes. The restaurant has had new management since 2024. The management changed in 2024 and is still the same today. Let's look at service disruptions. The elevator hasn't worked since Monday. It broke on Monday and is still broken now. Finally, here's a communication example. I haven't spoken to her since last year. The last conversation happened last year, and there has been no contact since then. Let's recap the essential rules for since. First, since connects a past starting point directly to the present. Second, it shows that something is still true or still happening now. Third, it requires perfect tenses such as have or has plus a past participle. Remember these grammar patterns with since. I have lived here since 2020. I have been living here since 2020. Never say, I lived here since 2020. Since always works with perfect tenses. Common time expressions with since include since 2020, since January, since Monday, since yesterday, since morning, since childhood. All of these mark a past point that connects to the present. Excellent work! You now understand since, the preposition that bridges past and present. When something started in the past and is still true today, since is the perfect word. In the next chapter, we'll learn, too, which marks ending points in time ranges. Keep practicing and continue mastering English time expressions.